Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do an unboxing from Statgear. This is the Ausus folding pocket knife, not as Asus but Ausus. So selling for $49.99, actually $50, including tax. So I got a deal from Statgear, from the site themselves that sells these knives, and it brought the price down to $21 shipped, including engraving. So let's see. I'm sorry. This is a cheap knife from, I think, the Renaissance Festival. I got. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Statgear sticker. That's nice. Okay, nice box. Made in China, of course. What's the specs? Okay, here are the specs. 3.5 blade. The material is D2 steel. Blade thickness 3.2 millimeter. What else? Micarta. Handle length is 4.5. Weight is 185 grams. Okay. I like the presentation. It looks classy. I think this is the brown version. I chose the brown. Yep. Whoops, what is that? What is that? So $21 shipped, including my name, my YouTube channel. Okay. SG Statgear. So if you want to buy the similar product, go to their site, not on Amazon, so you can customize it. D2 blade. Okay, D2 steel. Okay, initial impressions. I like it. From the box, the presentation, and from the color. It's like elegant design. Okay, and the overall design of the knife. Okay. Metal trim pieces. Is this real wood? I don't know. Oh no, this micarta. D2 steel. Locks real tight. No problem with that. So yeah. So just go onto their website. I'm not affiliated with them, but check if their discount is still live. This deal just popped into my feed from sleekdeals.net, I think. There you go. Quick unboxing of this Ausus knife from Statgear. Thanks for watching.